Grand rises. There's a war on nature, but the great god Pan lives. In the rustling grass, I hear him pass.
Nature cannot be patented. They're not interested in that. So, we translate that into the real world of FDA approval. Surely these drug companies aren't going to spend $20 million or more testing any substance from nature because it can't be patented. That, and of course the FDA says it's illegal to use unless it's been tested for efficacy and safety. Now you see the catch-22 you're in there. Nothing from nature, regardless of how effective it might be, will ever be proven safe or effective according to the FDA. It'll never be. Because nobody's going to spend the money to go through the test. So therefore, everything from nature will always be condemned by the FDA as unproven.
Since the birth of Christianity and the supposed death of the great god Pan not long after, around 14 AD, there's been a war on all things natural. Take a look around. Pay attention. But here's the thing. Gods don't die. The great god Pan lives. And they say the greatest trick he played was making man think he was a god, while thinking he was the devil. Stay safe, my people.